Cake, pie, and pastry servers are essential tools for any baker or dessert lover. There are many products available to choose: cake, pie, and pastry servers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cake, pie, and pastry servers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blue Pie Server, Essential Kitchen Tool. The Blue Pie Server is an essential kitchen tool for both right and left-handed chefs. With serrated edges on both sides, this pie server makes it easy to cut through pies, cakes, and even pizzas. The high-quality rust-resistant stainless steel ensures durability and longevity. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to serve your baked goods. Additionally, this versatile kitchen tool is dishwasher safe for easy and convenient cleanup. Number 2. Keratin Gold Cake, Pie Pastry Server Pack. Keratin Server Set includes 2 pieces of high-quality stainless steel titanium gold-plated cake servers. The set is durable, rust-proof, and dishwasher safe. Its classic design with sturdy handles ensures comfortable use. The shiny polish and titanium gold plating not only make the servers beautiful, but also scratch-resistant. Ideal for various occasions like weddings and parties, this set is easy to clean and store. Number 3. Flatware Pie Server Stainless Steel. Vofo Flatware Pie Server is a versatile tool that lets you cut pie slices and serve them without damaging delicate pastry. It has a fine serrated edge that slices through cleanly and works for both left and right-handed servers. The smooth gloss blade and brushed steel handle make this pie knife a nice addition to your fine flatware. It is rust-resistant and dishwasher safe, making it an ideal tool for serving cake, quiche, lasagna, or pizza too. Number 4. Cake Cutter and Pie Server. Red Hit Cake Server is a high-quality stainless steel spatula designed for slicing and serving cakes, desserts, and brownies. Made from durable, rust-resistant material, it ensures longevity. Its versatile functionality includes serving as a wedding cake knife and pizza cutter, catering to various baking needs. The innovative design with a serrated blade allows for smooth slicing, while the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning hassle-free. The angled design aids in easy serving, perfect for both professional bakers and home use. Number 5. 4 Pieces Pie Server Set. Patelai Pie Server Set is a practical kitchen helper that includes 2 serrated cake servers and 2 spatulas. The triangle server is ideal for pies and cakes, while the rectangle server is perfect for brownies and lasagna. Made of durable stainless steel, these servers are easy to clean and rust-proof. With proper sizes, they make serving pastries, lasagna, quiches, and more convenient. This elegant set can also be a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.